If your Samsung TV is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll go through the most effective solutions, starting with the easiest fixes and ending with more advanced troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check the Wi-Fi. Before troubleshooting the TV, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try connecting another device, such as your phone, tablet, or laptop, to the same Wi-Fi network. If none of your devices can connect, the problem is likely with your router or internet service rather than the TV. If other devices connect without any issues, continue with the next steps because the issue is likely limited to your Samsung TV. Step 2. Restart the TV and router. A simple restart often fixes temporary software or network glitches. Turn off your Samsung TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Then unplug your modem and Wi-Fi router. Wait at least 30 seconds before plugging the router and modem back in. Once the router has fully reconnected to the internet, plug the TV back in and turn it on. You can also perform a soft reset by holding the power button on the Samsung remote until the TV restarts and the Samsung logo appears. This refreshes the system without deleting any settings. Step 3. Check the network status. Samsung TVs include a built-in network status test that helps identify where the connection is failing. Open Settings, go to Connection, then to Network and Network Status. On some older models, you'll find it under Settings, go to General, then to Network and Network Status. Start the test and wait for it to finish. The results will show whether the TV is communicating with your router and whether it can access the internet, making it easier to determine where the problem is occurring. Step 4. Reconnect Wi-Fi. Sometimes the saved Wi-Fi information on the TV becomes corrupted. Open Settings, go to Connection, then to Network and open Network Settings. Select your wireless network and reconnect to it by entering the Wi-Fi password again. Be sure to type the password carefully because an incorrect password is one of the most common reasons a Samsung TV fails to connect to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Reset the network settings. If reconnecting doesn't help, reset the TV's network settings. Go to Settings, then to All Settings, then to Connection, then to Network, and reset network and confirm the reset. This removes all saved network information without affecting your installed apps or personal settings. Once the reset is complete, reconnect the TV to your Wi-Fi network and check if the connection is restored. Step 6. Improve the Wi-Fi signal. A weak Wi-Fi signal can prevent your Samsung TV from connecting or cause frequent disconnections. Move the router closer to the TV if possible, or temporarily place the TV closer to the router to test the connection. Large walls, metal furniture, and electronic devices like microwaves can interfere with wireless signals. If distance is the problem, using a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system can significantly improve signal strength. Step 7. Update the TV software. Outdated software can sometimes cause Wi-Fi connectivity issues. If your TV can access the internet using an Ethernet cable or another connection, go to Settings, then to Support, then to Software Update and Update Now, and install any available updates. If the TV cannot connect to the internet at all, download the latest firmware from Samsung's official support website onto a USB drive using a computer and install the update manually. Keeping the TV software up to date helps fix known bugs and improves network stability.